The biggest question, can law of attraction work without action? So many people are confused, so many people are asking this question. We are getting thousands of emails and messages every week on this particular topic. And if you were confused or if you are looking for the answer, then this video is for you. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Now the biggest question around law of attraction is, can law of attraction work without action? The answer is no. Yes, the answer is absolutely no. Law of attraction cannot work without action. Yes. Now stay with me in this video to know why I'm saying so. Because when I am teaching you anything about law of attraction, when I am giving you any tools, techniques or processes or wisdom, everything I have applied and mastered in my life. I'm not talking from any books, I'm not talking just theoretically. Whatever I have been teaching so far, I am teaching because I know that works. I have applied it in my life, I have experienced it, and that's why I've been teaching. So those of you who don't know about my background, I come from a small town and I did my engineering. I worked with some of the best organization for 10 years. I was working as a management consultant with Accenture, and I was growing and thriving in my corporate career, and I was applying all the process of the law of attraction, gratitude, power of mind, and that's when I was going from success to success. And everything that I have been sharing in YouTube, everything that I have been teaching in my programs and workshops are the processes that I have mastered. That's why thousands of people who are part of my programs, they are manifesting their goals, desires and dreams. So that's why whenever I'm explaining anything or teaching you anything, I'm not just teaching you theoretically, I'm teaching you how it exactly works and what the practical significance of it. Now, when it's come to action and law of attraction, there are so many books, so many YouTubers, so many so-called coaches who have been telling you that you don't need action. But one thing you have to understand, that we are spiritual being having this physical experience. So when we are in this physical form, we have to take some physical action for anything and everything in life. And action has different layers. Sometimes we start the process with a level of mental action, emotional action, when we visualize, when we imagine, when we do affirmation. That's when we start transforming the emotional, mental, spiritual action into physical action. That's when we at the end step, we take the physical action, and that's when we manifest, when we create, when we achieve success. Sometimes the mental, emotional, spiritual and physical action go concurrently. Sometimes there are involvement of even financial actions, when you pay money, when you do transactions. But remember, no matter what you are doing, always at the last stage, at least at the last stage of the manifestation process, of the success process, you have to take physical action. Like for example, so many people say that like you just imagine, visualize. Many people read books of Neville Goddard and they got all confused and they have misunderstood Neville Goddard, that they said, oh, you just visualize and everything will be there. And many people have this misconception around law of attraction, that law of attraction means you don't have to do anything. No, that's absolutely wrong. Law of attraction means you have to understand how to do it the right way, how to use your mind the right way, how to use your thoughts the right way, how to use your feelings the right way, how to take physical action the right way, so that like attracts like, so that your thoughts, feelings, action, everything will get aligned in the right direction, so that you can create success. And there is always involvement of physical action. Like think about it. Someone is very hungry. Let's suppose a beggar is there and the beggar is hungry and he doesn't have food. And let's suppose he started thinking about getting food. He started imagining how great it is, like getting the delicious food. And let's suppose someone come to the person and say like, hey, I have some work for you. If you do this work, I'll pay the money and you will get food. So the person, the beggar, go along with that person, do the work, get some money, went to a store, buy the food and have the food. That is one type of action. Let's suppose another person comes up and that person donates some amount of food to the beggar. So then this time the beggar is not exactly doing the work, but at least at the end the beggar has to take some action to put that food in his mouth. So there is some form of action involved depending upon which stage you are and what is happening. Few years back, one participant who was taking our powerful law of attraction program, Make Your Life Awesome, and if you have done the Make Your Life Awesome program, let me know in the comment. And those of you who are not yet done, you should check this program because it's immensely powerful. It's a fantastic 22 days manifestation program. So this one participant, this lady, was doing our Make Your Life Awesome program, and when she started the program, she has this confusion that, okay, for law of attraction and manifestation, we don't have to take any action. So she wrote this comment in the program and asked this question like, AJ, I have read so many books and so many teachers and people are telling that if you are following law of attraction, you don't have to take action. And she wrote, and then she said, but you are saying that we have to take action as well. So then I replied her that, okay, tell me one or two manifestations that you have done without taking action. So then she replied this with whole story, that the gist is like, she shared two experiences. One, she said she's a kind of filmmaker, documentary filmmaker. So she shared, like, we made a film with some big channel like Discovery or NGC. We created this film a few years back, and then the film was stuck and it was not moving forward for the final release or something like that, and it was stuck there. And then I started visualizing, and after few weeks the movie moved forward and everything got approved, and now it is getting released. So that's when I did it without any action. And then another example was like, we want to work on some particular project with some particular team of directors or producer or a particular channel, and we were thinking about it. So I started imagining, and then I manifested that opportunity. And see, another manifestation without action. I said, fantastic. Then I told her that, think about it. On the first case, you have already produced the documentary. You, your team, all the cameramen, all the people, whoever is involved, all that 20, 30, 50 people who have already worked in that movie or documentary, and everyone has put your action already done, already invested the action. But somehow your vibration or your power of manifestation was not fully aligned. So work was done, but it was not moving forward. So once you start setting the intention, once you align the vibration, then the work moved. However, it doesn't mean that the movie was not there or action was not done over there. So action was already completed, and that part, the physical action was already done, but the vibrational action was still stuck. So when you did the process, the vibrational action got aligned and it moved forward. Imagine if the documentary was not there at that place, then even if you would have imagined, what would have done? There is nothing to work on, right? And in the second manifestation that you said that this opportunity you wanted to work, but you imagine, you focus on it, you get your vibrational alignment, and you got the contract. Now, are you going to work on that documentary or not? Are you going to get a crew? Are you going to get the money? Are you going to get the equipments? Are you going to do the shooting or not? Or you just imagine you got the contract and you sit there and you get the money and the documentary will be released automatically without doing anything? The answer is no. Here, I gave her two interesting examples that in first, all the physical action was done, but the vibrational action was not fully aligned. In the second case, first she aligned the vibrational action, and that's why I got the contract. And now she has to put all kind of action, the emotional action, the creative action, the preparation, the teamwork, doing it, all the financial action, all the physical action, and they will produce the movie and it will go forward. During this process, she has to keep her vibrational action aligned so that the movie again won't get stuck like the earlier one. So that's when she was kind of having an eye-opener moment, like, yes. So this is what many people are doing the mistake, that if you are a business person, if you are a corporate leader, if you are a student, if you are a homemaker, whoever you are, whatever you are manifesting, money, wealth, success, relationship, anything, there are different layers of action, And depending upon which stages you are, you may take in the very beginning only vibrational action, that is the emotional action, mental action, spiritual action, and as you progress forward, you have to take financial action with that, you have to take physical action with that, you have to take different kind of action. But action is always the core part of manifestation and law of attraction. And anytime you listen and heard someone saying that if law of attraction means you don't have to take any action, you know that that person knows nothing. That person is only talking from some theory or just listening to other people but have no experience. This is what I have been applying in my life. This is what I have been teaching to thousands and thousands of people. And that's why when all these people are part of my program, they are not just staying in high vibration, but they are creating success after success. So if this video has cleared all your doubts, if this video is an eye-opener for you, like it, comment and let me know, and share it with someone, people around you. Share it in your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, where people are there who believe in law of attraction, follow law of attraction, so that more and more people should get the clarity. And if you are excited, you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description and stay connected in this channel, because I'll be sharing so much more insights and wisdom. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Stay motivated, stay awesome.